it's really easy for us to blame other people for how they treat us. I know that might sound deep, right? It's easy for us to blame other people for how they treat us. However, you need to understand that they don't treat everyone that way. They treat you that way. And they might treat a lot of people that way. They will treat you differently if you treat them differently. So when I'm around people, when I walk in a room, I feel like I want to control everyone's state. I've joked around with my friends like I'm the head of state because I'm going to control everyone's state. So even if someone's in a bad mood, they're not going to be in a bad mood around me. I'm saying what's up to people everywhere I go. I'm greeting people with big smiles and all that shit. I'm kind of like the puppy that's like running up on everybody saying hi. You know how like little puppies make everyone happy even if they're in a bad mood? That's me. But like in a cool James Bond kind of way. So even those people, I would compliment them like susceptible to be in a bad mood. A lot of times what I would do is I would like compliment them when I saw them. Hey man, what's going on? Oh man, this your fucking hair or some shit looks great today, you know, or find reasons to compliment, but I would find reasons that were true. And those people were like nice to me. I don't know. You got to state control is not just about controlling your state. That's the first level, like feeling how you want to feel. But the next level is when you can control states of people around you. And when you learn how to do that, then you unlock a whole nother level of life, of mastery. You get what I'm saying? Like Nima, I don't know if you've paid attention to it, but have you seen it? Like when we go places, it's like, start paying attention. You've only been here for like a year and a half, but start paying attention. You see, like everyone's always happy around me. Have you noticed that? Have you ever seen someone in a bad mood around me?
Yeah. I have not. No, I have not. And if you notice that someone doesn't have a positive energy, you follow up. You're like, I feel like right now something is off. Like,
yeah.
What's going on?
I call it out immediately.
Yep. No, I have not. And no.
Yeah, because I don't let it happen. I really try not to let it happen, but it's not because I'm a nice guy. It's actually selfish because I don't want their negative mood to affect me. Like states are contagious, and I don't want their negative mood to affect me. So I think you need to start taking responsibility for the state of people around you, and that's a tall order to ask. But you know, if you can do that, then you unlock a whole different level. Because right now you're effect instead of cause, right? The fact that you said you had to deal with it, it means that their state is affecting yours. You know what I'm saying? You're effect instead of cause. You need to think, no, I am cause, not effect.